Hello friends, in this session I am going to show you how we can create a business page on Facebook. Dear friends, everybody knows what Facebook is all about. It is a very powerful, very handy and very popular social networking platform in which we can create a personal account as well as business pages. Dear friends, let's first see what Facebook is in detail. We can see it in Google. Dear friends, it is an American social media and technology company based in Menlo Park, California, and it is serving worldwide. And the founder is Mark Zuckerberg. Well, we can see more details. Well, what are the products on part of the Facebook? You can see Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, WhatsApp, Watch, Portal are some of the products from Facebook. Well, you can see it has 44,942 people were serving in 2019. Well, subsidiaries, recently it had its stake in Reliance Jio, which is an Indian based company. Dear friends, we can also see the popularity of Facebook in the world. Well, we can see number of users, how many users are there. Well, you can see there are more than 2.6 billion monthly active users as of first quarter of 2020. Well, dear friends, you must take note of that Facebook is the biggest social network worldwide, and it was in year 2012 when the number of active Facebook users surpassed 1 billion landmark, making it the first social network ever to do so. Well, this reflects the popularity of and the potential of Facebook. Dear friends, now coming on to our main work. First, we must download a Facebook app from the Play Store, whether we are using laptop or we are using a smartphone. Well, next is what we can do is we have to create an account on Facebook. If we don't have, then we have to create one. Well, dear friends, in my case I have already created my Facebook account. Well, first important thing is, once account is created, what we need to do, we have to update all the information whatever is required, and we have to update our profile pic and other details that are required for to make a account. Next important thing is, friends, once our account is done, once our account is created, so we have to click here. Now we have to move to the your pages. Well, under your pages, what we have to do is, I have already number of pages are created, but if we have to create a new page, so we have to click on create option. Well, now we have to follow the process here. Get started. Well, first important thing is we have to give the page name. What do you want to name this page? The page name should be the name of your business, personal brand or organization. So let's give it is Salik Showroom. I have given it a name, Salik Showroom. So it will depend from business to business. Okay, next important thing is, which category best describes this page. Now next is, we have to give information regarding our business category. Well, there are some of the suggested categories like clothing, personal blog, product, service, shopping and retail. So we have to choose. Let's give one. We have given clothing. So once it is selected, we can give many more options as well. Shopping and retail, we can write product, services, and then we have to move next. Next important step is, friends, we have to give, do you want to add an address? Well, we can give address as, okay, we can give Madhya Pradesh. We have to move to this. Dear friends, if we have a website, then we have to mention the URL here. Otherwise, I don't have website. Okay. Now another important thing is, friends, now add images to this page. We have to add a profile pic. Let's keep it. I've selected this as a profile pic. Okay, we can add a cover as well. The same. I have given the cover as well. So it is done. Okay, so dear friends, you can see it. So our page is done. Our business page is created. Now dear friends, once our business page is created, so this is our business page. Now what we have to do is, we have to go to the more options, and under more options we can go to the edit page. So under edit page we can give lot of options are there. Page information, yes, you can see it there. About, name is there, category is there. We can add the website, we can add the description of our business. Our business is a clothing business and offers quality products. Well, friends, you can see I have given little bit description about our business. We can update it. Well, we can add our phone numbers, our email address, our location. We can also add hours available during which we are available for business. We can also give the price range of our products. Well, dear friends, also there are options like buttons. We can add some buttons. In fact, it will be visible on the main page itself. I will show you that as well. Well, there are some more options. You can see WhatsApp, Instagram, general, page information, so page rules. So different options are also there. You can make the changes there. Well, let's move on to the main page. You can see add button. We can click on this button, dear friends. Well, here we have many options. Whether you want customers to book now, get quote, shop now, call now. Well, let's see if we click on the shop now. Well, in that case it is mandatory to have our website. Then we need to give URL here. Well, if we click on the call now, here what we have to give is, we have to give the number, WhatsApp number. I have given my WhatsApp number. So please input a valid phone number. Now you can see, now it has accepted this number. We have to refresh it. Now dear friends, you can see our button is also active. Well, we can click here and we can view as page visitor. This is how customers can have a look at our page. Well, they can give a like, they can call us, they can find the details as well regarding our page. Well, whether they would like to recommend, so these options will be visible to the visitor, to the customer. Dear friends, let's move back. Now dear friends, again you can see here we can promote our page, our business rather, through many options. Well, we can create events, we can create posts, there is review section, well, photos. Well, under the shop category we have to give description of our products and services. Well, offers, we can create groups, community, well, videos option is there. Well, dear friends, now I will show you how we can create a post and then how we can promote it and make our business popular. Now dear friends, we can create a post on our page first. Well, it can be video, it can be pictures. Well, I will update one picture here, a single picture. Well, I will publish it. Let's wait. Okay, now you can see our post is ready. Now dear friends, you can see that boost post option is also visible here below the post. What you can do is we have to click on that. Now there is goal, get more engagement, get more messages. Well, we have to be clear with whether we want our post to find more audience coming onto our page, or they will directly send us messages. So two options are there, we need to select one. Next is we have to select the buttons. Right now there is no button. Well, you can see once we click on the button, our post will be visible. You can see send message. Well, you can see now below our post send message button will be visible, or if it is send WhatsApp message, then in that case we have to update the WhatsApp number. Okay, so next important is we have to save it. Now another important thing is what we have to select is audience. Now dear friends, for my last post I have selected some audience. Again here we can create new audience. Well, you can see we have to create a new audience. Under create a new audience, what we have to do is we have to select audience based on our region. If it is India, it is United States. Right now we can mention it is India. We can be very specific regarding states as well. Then we can give the age, we can give the characteristics of audience, well, their demographics, interests, like I can give football lovers, friends of football fans. Yeah, football I can give. Footwear, so we can give many options there. Well, you can see only men can be selected. Still audience size will be visible also by default when we select the characteristics. Choose the name for audience. We have to choose the name, give your audience name. We can give them football lovers. Now we can save it. Now we have created our audience based on our business. Next we have to select the budget. Under budget category, dear friends, we have to select the currency. We have Indian currency selected here. Now you can see rupees 80 will be the minimum here. You can see how many people it will this have estimated number of people who will see your boosted ads per day. That means 254 to 734 people will see. As we go on increasing our budget, 200, 635 to 1.8 thousand people. If we go on increasing 1500 rupees we spend per day, that means 4.8 thousand to 13.8 thousand people our this reach. Then we can increase the duration of the days as well. We have kept it, so we can keep 1 day, we can keep 2 days, so we can change the duration as well. Well, there is an also option whether we want to run it ad on Instagram as well. So there are options. Well, in case we want to run on Instagram as well, then there will be preview available. Well, we need to wait, it is in process. Well, this is how our ad will be visible on Instagram. Well, dear friends, next is, well, cost history is also there. You can see campaign value 1500 we have selected. There will be some tax will be there, so total budget what we have to spend for this particular ad. And then next is country. Well, next is different payment methods are also visible there: credit card, debit card, UPI, net banking, Paytm. So it's based on our interest, based on our availability, we can make the payments. So dear friends, this is how we can create posts, we can create a page, and then how we can create a post on our FB page and reach to a very larger audience. I hope you have understood the concept well. Thank you. God bless you. Thank you.